Introducing the OTBx Air app, available on Apple Store and Google Play, allowing you to have all your listings in the palm of your hands. Once downloaded, create an account or sign into an existing one. Once signed in, you'll be brought to the dashboard where you can view existing orders and delivered content. You can also navigate the dashboard to place orders, change account information, share a referral code, and contact us for support. Let's take a closer look at how to place an order. You will first want to enter the listing's address. You must fill in the required fields to continue placing the order. Now you can select the products and services needed for your listing, such as our top packages for real estate that has a description of what's included, individual services and add-ons, floor plans, iGuide and Matterport, marketing and digital packages, corporate services, and if you're unable to find the package that suits your need, contact support. Once you have chosen your package, add any additional services. You'll be able to select a photographer from our team. Availability for the week will be displayed, though if you need to book a future date, you can choose from the calendar. Once the date has been chosen, please fill in the required project details to continue placing the order. Provide any specific notes for the photographer to capture, such as detailed shots or upgrades. Also, any areas of the home you would like us to focus on or avoid. Provide any additional notes, enter payment information, or choose to pay on delivery. Now you're ready to finalize your order. The home screen can be used to view orders in progress and completed orders. Selecting an order in progress will allow you to pay for the order, add additional services, and reschedule. There is also a timeline showing when the shoot date is and when the order was placed. Selecting completed orders will allow you to view listing materials, the timeline of the order. You can also add more services. You will be able to adjust any listing data. You can view and access website links to share on social media and change the status of the site. You can share links to media, such as videos, photos, floor plans, and iGuide. You can also view and download photos and video that will be saved to your camera roll. You can access the marketing kit to create social content, access print materials to edit flyers. And don't forget, if you need any support on ordering, you can contact OTBx support from the dashboard. Thank you for using the OTBx Air app and are now ready to enjoy this new experience.